Today we're going to show you how to install a stunning neon sign on your ceiling. Not only will we guide you through the process, but we'll also demonstrate the incredible ambience these signs can create. If you want to learn more about the LED sign installation, be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out the link in the description. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tony. I'm the marketing manager of LCSIGN. I've worked in LCSIGN for more than 5 years. I serve more than 100 professional sign companies from all over the world. Okay, let's get started. So, neon signs are the perfect way to add a touch of style and personality to any space. Their vibrant colors and the unique designs can transform your room into a work of art. Now let's dive into the installation process. We've broken it down into 4 simple steps for you. First, preparing for installation. Gather your tools: a ladder, measuring tape, screws, anchors, and a power drill. Choose the ideal location for your neon sign. Step 1. Thread the top of the wire through both of the ceiling mounts. If there is any overhang, trim above the ceiling mount using pliers. Step 2. Measure and mark. Measure the distance between the holes in the backboard on the top of the sign. Step 3. Use these measurements, screw the ceiling mounts to the ceiling using a drill and screws. Adjust the hanging wire length to ensure that the sign sits level. Step 4. Thread the cable wire through one of the holes. Then thread the wire through the holes in the acrylic backboard, ensuring that 1 centimeter of wire remains sticking out. Clamp it and secure the wire. Now it's done. So perfect. If you want to get free installation accessories for neon signs, click the link below the video to contact us. Voila! Look at the stunning glowing effect. The combination of artistry and craftsmanship a neon sign is remarkable. Now with our easy installation guide, you can enjoy the beauty and ambience in your own home. But you have to know, not every neon sign manufacturer can make such a good neon sign. So if you're still looking for a way to buy neon signs, LCSIGN is our best choice, and we have CE UL certification and 2 years warranty. If you're recommended to this video by our sales representative, you may now resume your conversation. Thank you for watching. See you next time.